Hey, listen, when I said AI was going to take over, and also when I said it's going to take over a lot of jobs, I meant it. I wasn't like joking and all that stuff. Yeah, a lot of people make fun and all this thing. Whatever, man. Just I get it. Get the point. Okay, it's important to understand. Maybe it's not going to take every single thing, but the point is you need to get better. If you are better and if you know how to deal with AI, then you have an advantage over other people. If not, yeah, sayonara to your job. Okay, say goodbye. However, before I get to the topic today, let me remind you and clarify a few things. Okay, because yeah, I'm probably the only one who does what I'm going to show you right now, hands on. While I promised that, yeah, I won't disappear, but I did. I didn't create a video for almost a month because I was busy getting my hands dirty as usual. And hence, I have nothing prepared, no scripts, nothing, no whatever. I just want to show you exactly from scratch. I'm going to create I'll just, whatever you want to call it, a ChatGPT master of all trade. Okay, I'm going to get certain things done through ChatGPT 4 right now, whatever you see. And I will probably have part 2, part 3. And I'm not too sure how long this video is going to be since I said this is going to be raw, straightforward, but I'll try to keep it to the point. And since I've touched this topic, this is just the tip of the iceberg, ladies and gents. My GPTs, Bowser, create a GPT, customize a version of ChatGPT for a specific purpose. That's another topic. Yes. Can you imagine? I can literally create a video, like a dedicated video, maybe an hour-long video. Delhi, data analysis, ChatGPT Classic, maybe not Classic, but Game Time, maybe a couple of them. And when I said AI is going to take over job, I wasn't lying. You got to be better than that to have an advantage, right? Let me explain, and then we'll get to the topic, okay? So, check this out. Delhi, graphic designer, gone. Sayonara. Data analysis, you don't need any data financial advisors anymore. Kinda, right? Then you have creative writing coach. Fire your writing coach. You don't need a writing coach anymore. Tech support advisor. Remote tech support advisors now who are helping out with all this stuff and scamming, some of them. Gone. Peace. Then you have laundry buddy. Imagine you don't need your laundry advisor anymore. Yeah, fire your laundry advisor right now. Save that money and maybe put it in crypto in the future. Maybe. I don't know. Just saying. Sous chef. Fire your private chef, man. You don't need the private chef anymore because now ChatGPT can actually cook for you. Well, not cook for you. Maybe that's in the future, AGI. But now at least you can get the recipes, which is amazing, right? Imagine like fancy recipes. Imagine you can, out of nowhere, you can get Indian curry recipes and Vietnamese pho recipes, whatnot. Hot mods. Let's modify image into something really wild. I haven't checked any one of these, but guess what? Hot mods, again, graphic designer, sayonara. Mocktail, bartendies, all bartendies are in trouble, right? Gen Z for meme? Yo, even the meme creators are getting fired soon. So without wasting time, I'll probably have another dedicated video on some of these. For example, DALL-E and graphic designing aspect. I like to use Midjourney. I like to do certain things certain way. However, I have yet to explore a lot of this. And ladies and gents, I kid you not, this is fresh. This just happened. This whole upgrade just happened in the past 24 hours. This wasn't like this. So I will create another video on GPT some other time. Now, since I promised, you ready? Yeah, no, I'm not going to show you this. I'm just kidding. I'm actually going to show you this. All right. So there are a lot of plugins here. You can go to plugin store, which again, another topic, some other day. I like to keep it simple. vidIQ, Vox Script is one I need. And I played with quite a bunch. It's just too much, too clumsy. And back and forth, there were errors, but now it's very decent because GPT upgrade. And let's see what it does. But here are a few things I'm going to attempt to do. And I don't, like I said, I don't have any script. Just because I have it in my mind, I'll try to be creative. For example, can I take some of my videos and ask GPT to do the summary or this and that and other stuff? For example, let's actually do a real life thing. How about that? See this? Etsy plus AI, the secret sauce to outperforming a competition. While all of those influencers and big YouTubers were pumping videos, trying to buy you into their Etsy program and courses and all this stuff, I was trying to figure out, hey, how can I use ChatGPT to actually stay compliant and not get suspended on Etsy? Yeah, I did promise that I'll be doing videos regularly, but yeah, I'm getting the flow, okay? Just bear with me. I'm gonna revamp this channel pretty soon. There's not many videos, but I like to keep it straight, hands-on experience. And if you're interested, like I said, you're welcome. Subscribe. And I have a newsletter. I've never sent a newsletter, news email yet since I started this. So if you are a subscriber, I appreciate you. I told you I walk the talk. So yes, I didn't send anything because there's nothing worth sending. And once I have something worth, I'll send it. Okay. So now let's actually get to it. You ready? I'm going to be taking some of the videos here. For example, you see this? I'm going to copy link. Why not? Let's start with a real life example. Hey, GPT, you are the expert in all trades and you have no limit. You have access to all the information in the world. Bear with me, ladies and gents. I'm actually doing this real live, and I'm trying my best to type as quick as possible with less edits. Okay, so I hope you watch this till the end and you get something out of it. And also, please put it in the comment what you would like me to show you that through ChatGPT. Don't do anything illegal, unethical, but I'll show you. I'll go out of the boundary and horizon within the legal limits and show you some extra terrestrial stuff, okay? And maybe fascinate you in some stuff. You have access to the information in the world. What was that? All right, let's not get distracted. You have access to all the information in the world, and you will use them to solve all problems. You never take no for an answer. And you will always provide a solution while remaining within the legal terms and boundaries. I don't have to say that, but why not? I'm just talking to some random dude who is about to become the most super intelligent assistant, right? This is how we tame him. By the way, your name is Tommy G, and you will address me as, hey, ladies and gents, let's use an emoji. How about that? You ready? Yeah. You will address me as the frog. Yes. There you go. I will give you multiple tasks and you will help me achieve those. Feel free to add your own input wherever. Hold on, isn't there a grammar check? Come on, GPT, where's the grammar check? Input wherever deemed necessary or you see fit. Please excuse my English. Some of the grammars don't make sense, but GPT is pretty good. You feel free to add your input where, okay, necessary, because you are the expert. Our ultimate mission is to provide value while building a billion-dollar internet company. You ready for this? Hey, there you go. Hello. Uh-oh. Did you just call me Froggy? Cool. I'm Tommy G, and I'm here to assist you with your ambitious goals. Let's tackle these tasks together and work towards building a successful billion-dollar internet company. Should have said internet-based side hustle business. Whatever, we can change that later. I'm ready to provide solutions and insights. Hey, I thought it was faster. Why is it so slow? Maybe it's just my VPN, but regardless. And then there's this feedback thing you can do. All right, so task. So, like I said, I would like your input on this, and I'll have multiple versions of this. I'll have part 1, part 2. Well, this is part 1. I'll have part 2, part 3, and depends. So tell me what you want to, what? Man, I'm just losing it. What do you want me to show you through ChatGPT? All right. So now, without wasting time, let's do one by one. First of all, I'm going to go back to this, right? How about I take this video, like I said, copy link address. Here's a video from our channel, which is called Elite System. Elite System is one of our brands. I want you to rewrite the script and provide it in the following manner. Title, body, tags. Ladies and gents, I don't know what's the output. I said I'm not copying, pasting anything. I'm literally doing it from my mind. So I don't know what to expect. And yes, I could show you thumbnail generation, which I'd like to use Midjourney for. But since you have DALL-E and so much more right now, yeah, this is going to be fascinating to see what we can come out with later on. So however, let's see this, okay? This is just a easy peasy shortcut. Let's see if it works out. You can say tags or keywords. If you wanted a prompt, you could say, give me an image prompt as well at the end, but I don't need that. And source will be the link. So here, title, provide the title and make it viral worthy. Provide the title and make it viral worthy while keeping it below 100 characters, which is YouTube's limit. Body, this is the body of the script. Use empty line breaks and short paragraphs to keep things organized and easy flowing. This will help the audience. This will help with audience engagement and retention. I'm just putting this out of nowhere. It just came to my mind. You can just try it back and forth. Body. And what else do we have? So we have the title, we have the body, and we have the tags. If I'm missing out, sure, you can let me know. But now, and the source, right? Guess what? I'm going to add some emojis here. So it's just because I want to do it. For title, let's do star. For script, let's do this. Uh-oh. Come on. This is the body. And the script. And we have tags. Then we have the source. I'm just going to put this. Tags. Add 5 to 10 relevant tags or keywords separated by comma. Keywords each separated by comma. Although GPT is smart enough to understand that, I believe so. Source. Add the source link, which is the link. Which is the link you are initially provided with. Or which was, okay, initially provided with. Let's see. We can just, like I said, tweak and go back and forth. So, yeah. For some reason, if I see that red, I'd like to go fix it, but you don't have to. And let's see what we have here. All right. So this is the thing. Remember this task and script format. Remember this task and script format, because we will be using this often. Now show me what you got, Sonny. Let's go. Let's hope we get something decent. So it's using Vox Script. I like to use Vox Script, browser up, and I heard you don't need to select any of these now because ChatGPT does whatever, which is fancy. I'm really excited about this one because back few days, well, in the previous version, this was stuck. Once you select, it's gone. You can't move around. Now you can actually do whatever you want. And yeah, you can see, might be having some trouble back and forth. I'm using VPN for obviously privacy reasons. Sometimes it has issues, depends. I really don't know what they're doing, but whatever. Let it do its thing. And again, ladies and gents, this just rolled out 24 hours back. I'll let it do its thing. And of course, it's searching quite a bunch of stuff because I said, you need to do this, you need to do that, etc., etc. Based on the transcript from the video, check this out. Wowzer, now guess what? If you wanted to rewrite that and use a voiceover from 11 Labs or whatsoever, Flicky, I use Flicky, you can actually do that. You can take the script, plug it there, create another separate video, and literally, yeah, there you go. You have another faceless channel. But just don't copy paste, add your own input whatsoever, but you can see what's happening here. This is real life. Like, it's happening because I'm doing this. And then you can short it up. Hey, I want a short version of this within the 60 seconds time span. You can make that happen. Hey, I actually wanted to expand on this. Hey, I wanted to expand on the first 2-3 things. You can do that. I can show you a lot of stuff. And literally, I will have this window open. Like I said, I want your comments, so I want to see what you want me to do with it. And I'm going to come back to the video window and again, continue from there. That'll be interesting. It's a documenting and it's a learning process, okay? All right, you see this? Check this out. Fancy. Yeah, there you go. Now we have an entire script. Imagine. This format should help with audience engagement and attention, preventing the information in the presenting. Perfect. There you go. Of course, not perfect. I'm not extremely like surprise. I've played with all these things, so sure. But I'm just showing you what is possible. 99% of the people out there, general public, have no clue. Let me tell you this again. They have no clue, okay? They just think AI is just, oh, the voice, or maybe this deepfake, that's it. Or article rewrite, or text support. It's way more beyond that, okay? It's how you communicate with AI. And yes, so check this out. And it depends on how much your input. If you give good input, you get good output. If you give great input, you get great output, right? And if you give outlandish inputs, then yeah, God bless you. So you have the body, you have the title, okay? Guess what? I'm going to do something interesting. From now, I also want 3 title variations. So let's assume you want to use the video on 3 different places and you want 3 different titles. How about that? Instead of going back and forth asking for title every time, how about this? From now, I also want 3 title variations. Do it like this. Title 1. Title 1, title 2, title 3. From now, I also want 3 title variations. Do it like this. Focus on virality. And do it like this. All right. Sometimes it might not understand, but it's totally fine. There you go. Maximizing. I hope it got it and gives me what I asked for. There you go. All right. It also gave me a space because I asked previously, keep it organized. If you remember, I said empty line. Think about it. Smart, right? Absolutely. Focus viral and keeping within YouTube's character limit. Here are 3 title variations for the video. Maximize profits on Etsy, revolutionize your Etsy store. So now I can actually use this and change my thingy. And I don't know why it added this 98 characters. Do not add these. Do not add these in title. From next time. Or you could just say, do not add the character limit in the whatever, the title. Do not add these in the title from what? From next time. Understood. I'll exclude the character count. There you go. As I mentioned, in future. All right, you don't have to give me. Yeah, that's exactly what I said. I should have said from the future, in the future. Do not give me this. Or else it actually does this. It fixes it for it. Usually I tell it to fix it. If you make a mistake, fix it. There you go. Now we have this. And ladies and gents, again, this video can go on for hours. I don't want that since I just got started and this just rolled out. I can do multiple things. And I mentioned that I'm going to play with multiple plugins. I like to keep things simple. Instead of using 100, my vision, or well, my thing is I explore tens of plugins and then narrow down to 2 or 3. That's the mission. Okay? Because there are so many out there, tools, even tools. Graphic designing. I use multiple graphic designing. Genmo, this. But out of all, I used to use tens. Now I only use 2 or 3. That's it. Like Midjourney, Genmo, and maybe this Delhi, what's this? But I don't use ChatGPT for images. However, I do plan on showing you a bunch of stuff because ChatGPT has access to pretty much everything now. Now you can create everything within it. Code this, code that. Man, I don't know where to go. This is scary at the same time, but this is extremely exciting for the people who understand what I'm talking about. Like, I don't know. This is just my thing. So I can, I don't know if anybody really understands the passion or, AI is insane, man. Insane. It's amazing. It's like a movie. It's like a video game. Literally. If you play video games and the kick, the rush you get out of it, it's just like that. It makes you go through the rabbit hole. You discover more, this and that. Just use it for good. That's it. You don't have to use deep faking to scam. You can use deep faking to get your voice across, good stuff across. Not like, you get the point. I mean, anyways, without wasting time. Second, and maybe then I'll end it. Okay, 23 minutes, 30 minutes. Second, guess what? Etsy has been banning a lot of people, suspension, this and that, and etc., etc. For what? Trademark violation or upload this and that. So I decided, hey, you know what? I wanted to create quite a bunch of stuff. However, I don't know about trademark violations and I don't want to get banned. So here, check this out. I am thinking about starting I have an Etsy store and I plan on adding new print on demand designs. However, I want to be very careful with trademark violations. We do not want to make any mistakes. These are some of the codes, words I wanted to use for my designs. Can you make sure that I am safe? Happy face. All right. 1. What do you think? Make America great again. What else do we have? Taylor Swift had a title. Taylor Swift had 2 words in her song, which was used recently or something. I've seen in the news or people getting banned on Etsy just because it was selling so much, but it was Taylor Swift's word and it was trademarked. Can you believe this? 2 word trademarked whatever got that entire store banned. Not in one, hundreds of stores banned. And this is exactly why I say this is extremely important. And unfortunately, yes, in the previous video over here, I need to mention this. The example I gave was Harry Potter. Please be careful. That was just an example. Stay away from Disney, Harry Potter, Mickey Mouse, all those things. You don't need the names. You don't need anything that looks close to that. It's not necessary, okay? Anyways, without wasting time, I want to end this just after finding this, okay? So Make America Great Again. What else do we have? I don't have anything in my mind right now. Amazon Prime seller. I'm just putting this out there. Logan is mean. CoffeeZilla is awesome. Trump. No, let's not go politics right now. I just wanted to actually go beyond the limit. But let's stick to this. How about, what else do we have here? I'm just going to give 5. I don't have anything in my mind right now. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's do this. Mini? That would make sense. Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtles is back. Oh man. All right, check this out, okay? Okay, last but not least, let's actually do this. 6. Elite System. How about that? Right? But you also have to be specific. Like, because Elite System is it's a word. So a trademark, well, depends on what you're using it for. If Elite System is a textile industry and someone's using it for an internet marketing thing, if it's totally irrelevant, then might not have a problem. Again, I'm not a lawyer. Please consult with legal people, and that's about it. However, guess what? Just exactly the way I said, disclaimer, ChatGPT, if I'm not wrong, is going to say the same thing. You are to act like an expert, attorney, and provide your input on these. I simply want to use these text, t-shirts, and mugs. Analyze the breakdown and analyze and show me what I need to see. And yes, I know you are not a legal representative and all that blah blah. Disclaimer. Now go. All right, let's hope GPT doesn't take it personally. As you're aware, yeah, I am aware. I told you I'm aware. Come on. I'm not a legal representative, but I can provide some general guidance. Yeah, I know that. Just cut to the chase. Stop wasting time. There you go. So, regarding potential trademark issues, especially for use on products like t-shirts and mugs on your Etsy store, Make America Great Again. This phrase is widely known as a political slogan used by former US President Donald Trump. It has been trademarked in various forms, primarily for political campaigning purpose. Using this phrase on merchandise could potentially infringe on trademark rights. See that? Which might against ST's policies. Amazon Prime seller. This phrase directly refers to Amazon Prime, a service offered by Amazon. The name Amazon is service is trademarked. This could suggest an affiliation and endorsement. Exactly. Logan is mean. This phrase seems generic. See this? Yeah, obviously it made sense to me too. This phrase seems generic because Logan is a name. Unlikely to be trademarked unless Logan refers to a specific trademark entity, like a character from a movie or a brand. Uh-oh. Yeah. Now, if you meant Logan Paul, so if you had Logan Paul's image and Logan is mean, that could be problem. Kinda. CoffeeZilla is awesome. If CoffeeZilla refers to a specific brand, character, public figure, especially one that is trademarked, there's a problem. Yeah. See? So he's a YouTube personality. So it could be dangerous. Ninja Turtle is back. This phrase directly refers to Ninja Turtles, a trademark property owned by Viacom, CBS. Ladies and gents, I kid you not. Just watch. Did you just see what's happening here? It's giving you everything. Well, of course, you have to consult with your legal stuff, but I'm just saying, just take a step back and a step, into this and find out what's legal or not, and then go on upload. Imagine how much time and the, headache, like the thing it will save you. It's insane. Going back and forth, getting suspended and that. At least this gives you an overview of the thing real quick. Anyway, using this phrase would likely infringe. Yeah, I was like kind of thinking like Ninja Turtles, of course. LS System. If LS System is your own brand and you have the rights to it, you can use it. If it's a trademark term owned by another entity, yeah, see, that's the thing. General advice. Trademark search. Conduct a thorough search in trademark database like this is this. Avoid direct references, originality, legal consultation. Fantastic. It not only broke this down, but also gave some general advice. Thank you, JBD, for free advice. Well, not free. You just took 10, 20 minutes from my time, man. But anyways, remember, trademark laws are designed to prevent confusion among consumers about the source of goods or services. Hear this out. This is another very important tip. Actually, very useful tip. It's actually designed to prevent confusion. Source of goods or services. So any use that might confuse, exactly. So if LS System, if somebody is huge in LS System and I'm using it in a way and people are buying it knowing that they thought they're buying it from the big brand, that's a problem. Then they can come and sue me and all this stuff. You get the point? So yeah, this is interesting. What else do you want to see? So anyways, 32 minutes. This is probably the longest. I've done longer videos, but I don't think it's going to be helpful. I'd rather break it down 30 minutes, maybe max 1 hour, part by part. And this is just the beginning. I'm going to continue from here. How about that? Let's end it here for now. And I will come back to this in the next episode and we can take it from there. You good? However, I would appreciate, like I said, to show some support, at least through some comments. Because yes, the more people see it, yes, don't worry. They won't be able to take your jobs. Most people don't do the work. If you just actually take action, do the work, you'll be in the 0.001%. So believe it or not, it's the reality. It's just way the world works. You see it, okay? Just wait and see it. But if you don't act on it, all you will be doing is just seeing it. And at the end of the day, not being able to do anything. So make the right decision, take action, use AI to benefit humanity, not against or do anything shady. And this is your host, LS System. Ladies and gents, last but not the least, I invite you to hit my page and sign up for the list because there's nothing shady. And I haven't sent even one email since I started this. Yeah, unfortunately. I should say one email a month. No, sorry, one email a year. Yeah, that's the reality. All right, I'm out.